Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions for CMET examination part 2. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Cyber Safe Security has been launched by which state? So the correct answer option B, which is Maharashtra. Maharashtra government has launched a Cyber Safe Women initiative under which awareness campus will be held across all the districts of the state regarding cyber safety. Question number 2. World's second tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was unveiled in which city? So the correct answer option C, which is Ahmedabad. World's second tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was unveiled in Ahmedabad. Question number 3. Government of India has signed a MOU with which company for selling the product made by Women Self-Help Group under the NULM? So the correct answer is option B, which is Flipkart. Government of India has signed a MOU with Flipkart for selling the product made by Women Self-Help Group under the NULM. Question number 4. Which ministry has awarded Swarna Jayanti Fellowship to 14 scientists? So the correct answer is option C, which is Ministry of Science and Technology. Ministry of Science and Technology has awarded Swarna Jayanti Fellowship to 14 scientists. Question number 5. General Qasem Soleimani of which country has been killed in US drone strike? So the correct answer option D, which is Iran. General Qasem Soleimani of Iran has been killed in US drone strike. Question number 6. Who has been awarded as a Global Bihar Excellence Award? So the correct answer option A, which is Piyush Jaiswal. The award was given to recognize and facilitate Piyush Jaiswal's contribution towards social welfare, women empowerment, and introducing new talent in the field of arts and culture. Question number 7. The US aviation regulator has warned American Airlines from operating the airspace of which country? So the correct answer option B, which is Pakistan. The US aviation regulator has warned American Airlines from operating in the airspace of Pakistan. Question number 8. The World Health Organization has designated the year 2020 as dash. So the correct answer option D, which is year of nurse and midwife. The World Health Organization has designated the year 2020 as the year of nurse and midlife. Question number 9. What is the name of the award which was given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the progressive farmer of 21 states? So the correct answer option D, which is Krishi Karman. Krishi Karman award was given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to progressive farmers of 21 states. Question number 10. Who has become the first and youngest tribal woman in the world to climb 6 tallest mountain peaks across 6 continents? So the correct answer option D, which is Malwatha Purna. Malwatha Purna has become the first and youngest tribal woman in the world to climb 6 tallest mountain peaks across 6 continents. Question number 11. The 5th National Ice Hockey Championship 2020 is being held in which place? So the correct answer option B, which is Leh. The 5th National Ice Hockey Championship 2020 is being held in Leh. Question number 12. Which of the following ministries has announced to set up a new emerging and strategic technology division? So the correct answer option A, which is Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of External Affairs has announced to set up a new emerging strategic technology division. Question number 13. The government has approved setting up dash electric vehicle charging station under second phase of FAME India scheme. So the correct answer is C, which is 3,215. The government has approved setting up 3,215 electric vehicle charging station under the second phase of FAME India scheme. Question number 14. Which state has declared 2020 as the year of artificial intelligence? So the correct answer is C, which is Telangana. Telangana has declared 2020 as the year of artificial intelligence. Question number 50. Sunita Lakra is associated with which sport? So correct answer option A, which is hockey. Sunita Lakra is associated with hockey. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more video. Thank you.